how do you do SEO? You could buy a book. This one was written 10 years ago and it's already this thick. Guess what? You don't need a book. SEO has not gotten simpler in 10 years. SEO has exploded to mean a number of things to different people. Here's my best advice if you want to do SEO yourself. Be the best business in your area of its kind. I've heard advice of being whatever est you can be. Cheapest, probably don't want to do that. Niche-est, implantest, you want to be known for something. Is it familyest? Is it friendliest? But you want to be known. And that's what SEO is all about. What we want when we say we want SEO, we want to do SEO for ourselves. We want to be seen. We want to be known and we want to be found when people need something. The best way to do that, and this is not me being cheeky, it's just you've got to be something that Google wants to show to its users.